Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Umentri rangba ka jela u konret sangma ulaong baka kaipot halor ka jing pendon kambakla halor ka jing thiet yaki kali dakatnat pulet jong ka jela Meghalaya kapau bakam don kanu ka jing pendon kambakla naka jing tep kabau yo layo i bakini ki kali ki dei bathiet leng baka GEM portal bat ka jing thiet ka dei katkom ki kendon yo i kanu ka jing pendon kambakla haka ka jing pendon kam yakak tien kalong kum baki sotanan ban pendon kam bat ka pen bakla habaro ong umentri rangba nakaliang umentri rangba ula ong bakala abandan ke jing suki hakaban IT yaki kali bat ki we bat ka ne kam wanra yakata kaban ong pendon kam bakla.
Report has been submitted, I'm told, just last night, or it's going to be submitted this morning. And number two, from the preliminary inputs that we have seen, that vehicles were procured, and it was done from the GEM portal, and it was purchased as per the procedures and norms that are laid down. So I don't see where this word scam has to come in. It's just becoming like using fancy words. They try to change the narrative of the whole thing. It doesn't work that way. Go with the facts. Yes, there could have been some issue about allotments. That happens. There could be some delay or some other things. But that doesn't convert the entire situation to scam. So therefore, let's wait and we'll see the report. But preliminary, that's what it looks like. We're going to inquire into the aspect of everything. But as I said, it's not a question of misuse of any.
So now we come.
As I said,
another part
was not
person went down. Scam not.
So we'll look
If
into that matter and we'll
scam,
see how
yeah, NPP, pin for block.